We can install a Poseidon system for 1/3 of the cost of a comparably sized dry cleaning operation and improve our output by 150% with 1/3 less expense on the front end and operating costs that are significantly lower because we don't need boiler, very little electricity, and we're speeding up our time, so we're using less energy overall. We chose the Poseidon Textile Care System, frankly, because the results that we found operating it in our facilities were superior to any other wet cleaning process we've used, and we operate wet cleaning in all of our plants. When we tested Poseidon, it was great. The local support's been tremendous, and we find it's a trusted brand that we intend to continue to install in our facilities throughout the country.
You've given us control. So now we can achieve the finest garment care through your system that's available for any type of garment. And now we're looking at more than 80% of every item that comes in here is wet clean. That represents the majority of what we clean, and so we need to have the very best opportunity to provide the level of quality that our customers demand. And the other part about the drying that I just absolutely love is how it measures the humidity left in the garment. It's constantly measuring that, so we can dry something 85% dry, not have any worries about shrinkage. And then we can sit there and control that last 15% so that we mimic hang drying. That's such a huge benefit. The trend I see and the direction I'm seeing for our industry and our business is that it's moving to a much larger percentage of wash, dry, fold. So when I installed all of this brand new Poseidon equipment, I had the opportunity to pursue wash, dry, fold that I didn't have previously. Poseidon has given us the opportunity to grow our business and to expand our business and increase sales in an industry that has been declining over the last 2+ decades.
The quality that comes out of my Poseidon, the way they wash, the utilities that they don't use anymore, there's no real comparison, really. We've hired 2 other people. We haven't laid anyone off. You would think, well, you get it done a whole lot faster. You don't need so many people. We picked up 4 or 5 contracts, and I'm still able to get it out a whole lot faster. So I'm able to hire more people, keep the same people that I got, get it out even faster, and it's a win-win.
When we brought Poseidon into our facility, we mixed it up with smaller machines and larger machines, as opposed to having all large machines. That played a big role in efficiency for us. Because of that, we are now getting more loads per day, between 3 to 5 loads extra per day, and that actually produces 1,000 pounds a week. That's 52,000 pounds a year that we're getting extra out of changing just some of our machines.
So being environmentally friendly as a dry cleaner is critical not only for your customers' preferences, but frankly to find locations to be able to open new facilities. So we have had to go in and educate landlords about the differences between a typical dry cleaner that they may have in their mind from a shopping center owned years ago to today's more contemporary dry cleaners that are engaging wet cleaning technology such as Poseidon and have really turned their heads and show them that we can be good tenants, not pollute their property, offer great service, and be a good draw for their centers.
After taking over the competitor that we purchased, we realized we couldn't keep up with volume. So the Poseidon Wet Cleaning System was our best option, and it's definitely exceeded our expectations. We have more capabilities. We can not only clean more items, we can also clean items that we weren't able to before. The installation process of a Poseidon Wet Cleaning System is extremely easy compared to a dry cleaning machine install. We weren't down at all, and it was done in a few hours. Production has gone up, our volume has also gone up, but we're able to keep up and continuously press clothing. So there's no downtime. It's a much smoother operation. There's no backup at the dry cleaning machine anymore.